His mother was cooking and had some boiling water on the stovetop.
Make tea with big kettle of water, all the hot water spraying on my face. It was hard. Dr. Bolton said, I can promise you you're gonna have your hair back. 2 weeks later, it turned out to be so good. After 4 months, I had all my hair. I can do anything I want, I mean, any activities. This change, this hope, I've got it from this place. I would definitely recommend PAI and Dr. Bolton.
For his follow-up, he sees me, he grabs me, he picks me up, he's like so happy. I mean, it just makes me feel, you know, you can't beat that feeling.
Vita Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and joining us is a beautiful couple, Vito and Julie.
He's got a very young, vibrant personality. Excited, I think it's more nervous excitement.
And there was people walking in and out, and he's going, hey, come here, check him out. This is what I did here. Check this guy's scar out.
There was a sense of comfort when I came into here and confidence that Doc Bolton gave me twice as many, almost 8,000 hairs. I told a couple of guys that were there that I had the surgery done. They were all trying to find my suture lines, and nobody could even just go to one place, be looking. I looked at 3 along. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
Pain at all.
After your surgery, when did you first start noticing your hair growing in?
6 months when I really noticed it. They
Did
didn't say.
you come clean and tell them what happened?
Most people know.
Now we can say that you're very happy with your results, correct?
Yes, I'm very pleased. I felt Dr. Bolton was more personable, and
Yes.
I just liked the way he acted and the way he handled things.
We're very happy for you, and you look great. Dr. Brett Bolton, we can say, that he's a fabulous doctor, right?
Oh yes, he's excellent. Yes.
Thank you, Frank. Greg joining us today, one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Triple the amount of hair in one procedure from Dr. Bolton.
At least starting to lose almost everything that I had originally
Was
lost in my mind. These guys were so ecstatic with Dr. Bolton. Made the appointment, came in, and he did the front, right? I was so satisfied. You do such a good job, there's no reason to come back. After 2 procedures, this is what I look like compared to if they show a before picture of the 3 procedures I had.
We'll show it. Patients want to talk to somebody, they can talk to you.
Absolutely.
What if you get 100 phone calls? Are you going to be able to handle that?
Oh, wait a minute. How about just a couple at a time?
Noticeable up in the front, especially. It bothered me because I was so young. It was just really weird. I tried to cover it up as much as I could, and it just wasn't working. I researched a few doctors, maybe about 4 of them. Feel that security, that comfort, where it was kind of like I was walking into a car dealership. They know what they're doing, and it doesn't feel like a sales pitch. And Dr. Bolton was the only came to where him and his staff, I actually felt that security and comfort. They broke down.